As businesses restart in the wake of a global pandemic, contact tracing from UBSense can help keep employees safe and make operations more resilient. A three-dimensional digital map of your facility is created. Small, lightweight tags, carried or worn by people, show precise, real-time locations using highly reliable Ultra-Wideband technology. When individuals move within a set distance of each other, a contact event is recorded and graded as either a momentary passing contact or a more significant full contact. UBSense Contact Tracing provides dashboards for authorized users to analyze these contact events. The Daily Overview dashboard shows the number of contact events occurring over time. The social distancing performance of teams or areas is reported, with spikes or patterns easily identified. The Contact Events dashboard provides a more detailed view of all contact events, highlighting the time, location, and duration of specific interactions. Areas can be easily identified that may need reconfiguration. For example, a corridor with a high frequency of passing contact events requiring better traffic management, or a cluster of full contact events highlighting a process or workstation that needs redesign. By adding the location and movement of cleaners or cleaning equipment within designated areas, it's possible to be more targeted and effective in reducing transmission from surfaces and equipment. The Hygiene Status dashboard tracks the presence of people over time, highlighting high traffic areas that are frequently used or overdue for cleaning to create a prioritized, dynamic schedule of areas that most need hygiene control. Should a person fall ill or test positive for coronavirus, the Contact Tracer dashboard enables authorized users to identify others who are at risk of infection and require notification, testing, or to self-isolate. By entering the COVID-19 test date and the date symptoms started, tags are ranked as being high or medium risk of transmission based on the history of contact events between people and the use of shared tools or equipment. Depending on the chosen privacy setting, individuals can be identified directly within the dashboard or anonymized for offline review. Contact tracing from UBSense, keeping people safe and operations resilient. Visit ubsense.com for more information.